Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber, and today we're going to do these very mermaid-like nails with polygel or polygel. I don't even know how to say it. I'm starting off with the MAKARTT base coat here. You can use any base coat really. Any base coat would do, but I already had glued my tips on my practice hand and shaped them, filed them, and everything. So after I put on my base coat, I cure for 60 seconds. And after they're done, I'm going to go ahead and use this Money for Nails pink gel polish. This is so beautiful. I just got the, what is it? The French Kiss collection, I believe. I got the French Kiss collection and the 24-hour collection, which is like more like neon colors. And I love these gels. These are so pretty. Like the colors are beautiful. And this French Kiss collection is like totally like me. Like this is just like neutral, pinky. It's like definitely a perfect collection. And as you can see here, I'm going in with this shade called Spoiled, and it's like a perfect baby pink. It's not super opaque, it's just right. I did go in with 2 coats on this. I did cure 60 seconds in the lamp for each coat, and I don't know, I was gonna do more like a sheer background, but when I seen the color, because this was my first time seeing this color like on the nails, I was like, okay, I need a second coat because it's just a perfect baby pink. So after I cured these for 1 whole minute, I went ahead and just did 1 coat of this reflective glitter that I used in my previous video. This is such a pretty pink reflective glitter. So I just, like I said, I just did 1 coat because I just wanted that like extra little reflection with the flash when I took a video of these, which you're gonna see at the end. It just turned out so pretty. I just wanted 1 coat because I am going in with 2 polygels that are all glitter. So I just wanted like that little extra sparkle with the flash. So I did 1 coat again, and I always take care of my sidewalls like I've always told you in my previous videos, guys, and just make sure that I just try to keep the shape. And now I'm going in with this white, just regular gel polish. You can use any white gel polish, and then go in with a brush with a little bit of alcohol and just swirl it around. This is like my way of doing marble most of the time, because with the inks I have to wait for it to dry, and then if it's not dry and I try to put like a top coat on it, it's gonna just smear everywhere. So this is for me just the safest way to keep my marble in place. So I'm gonna cure this for a full minute, and after I do so, I'm gonna put on this Starlight Feel from Saviland or Saviland. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And this is just like a very sheer background glitter. Now the glitter you can see here, it's like all kinds of colors. It's pink, it's blue, it's yellow, it's green. It's like all the colors of the rainbow with the sheer background, like a sheer pink background, which is perfect. You can even do this one by itself, like on clear nails, and it'll just look so good. So I'm gonna do that on on all the nails, making sure, like I said, taking care of my sidewalls. I don't want to lose the shape because with polygel, it's super easy to lose your shape. Especially if you're a beginner, you're like, oh, you know, I'm just going to put it on and cure it and then file it off. It's a game changer for me. It has been, just taking care of those sidewalls. And sometimes you got to sacrifice putting some product on the sides, because if you do, like with C-curve tips, these are not C-curve tips, but if you were doing polygel or even acrylic with C-curve tips, you gotta just not put product on the sidewalls. Otherwise, you're gonna compromise your shape. So that's what I'll be doing here. And after that, we'll be putting on our little seashell and starfish little charms on it. And after that, cure for 60 seconds. All right, so we're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in with this Dream Purple Polygel. This is just like an extra layer of goodness. It's just so pretty, and you can't see it really here with like the brighter light, but once you cure it and you put top coat on this and you see it with a flash, you're going to see the purple glitter. And I don't know, it was just like that extra layer that, to me, it needed for it to look like super, super sparkly. So I'll be doing that and then cure for 60 seconds. Now we need to encapsulate everything, and I'm using this MAKARTT QIKGEL. That's what they're called. At first I thought it was like polygel when I bought it, but I was like, oh no, I think I bought, it's more like a hard gel. So the reason why I'm coming in with this QIKGEL, which is, like I said, it's more like a hard gel, builder gel, more like it's like more liquidy than hard gel. I decided to go in with this because I didn't want any bubbles. Like the least bubbles, the better, right? So with the hard gel, I usually have some problems with bubbles when I'm trying to encapsulate charms or, you know, like texture nails. Like I have a little bit of trouble encapsulated with hard gel. So I took this and it was perfect. And I'm taking care of my sidewalls. So when you see me applying or putting like the tip of the bottle on the sides, it's because I am trying to kind of swipe the gel downwards. So I'm not applying extra gel on the sides. I'm actually just trying to take care of that shape as much as possible. So I do this and then I cure for 60 seconds. No, actually for 2 minutes, just to make sure that everything is done and cured. I don't have any problems when filing. Here I'm just going to be cleaning off that sticky layer of Polygel, and I'm going to go in with an 80/80 grit hand file. This is the coarse hand file, and the reason why I decided to use the coarse hand file is because it's going to take me way less time to kind of smooth out that bumpy surface when applying this gel. So with the quick gel, since it's more liquidy, it kind of runs a little bit. And I forgot to tell you guys in my last clip, I would recommend definitely to flash cure every finger when you're applying your quick gel, just because it's more runny and you don't want to get through all the fingers with not flash curing, because once you're at the pinky and you're done with the pinky, the first finger you worked on, it's going to be, dripping all over the place. So I did flash cure, and a lot of girls use the normal file, which is like 100 grit or even smoother, because polygel is way smoother than acrylic. Not as smooth as gel itself, but it's a hybrid, right? So and it's fine. It's completely fine. I just wanted to spend less time filing, just because, I'm just trying to work on my speed, like I've said before. And yes, it does leave more scratches on the surface, but once you file that with like your sanding band, which is like the 180 grit or even the 150 grit, you're going to be able to get rid of all those scratches. And that's what I do. So I take care of the sidewalls, the free edge, trying to make it as straight as possible, and then go in with my sanding band. After dusting off the nails, I'm going to try this method again of buffing the nails with cuticle oil. And I'm showing you here how my buffer just is ruined after the first time of using cuticle oil and buffing the nails. I was really struggling with this buffer because, like I said, I did this method in my previous video, and it was good, but now my buffer is trash. So I threw that away, and now I'm just cleaning off the nails and putting some top coat on. You don't want oily nails on, but well, before putting your top coat. So here I'm putting the top coat on. This is the E-Nail Couture top coat, and doesn't have like a logo or anything, so I just showed you the bottle. And after that, we're gonna cure for 60 seconds, and you can see the glitter is starting to come alive with the top coat. It's just so pretty. And here's the finished product, you guys. Look at how pretty these turned out. Like, I was like, oh my god. And see, with the flash here, it's just wow, you know? It's just so pretty. I was so in love with these glitter nails. I'm not a glittery kind of girl, but these nails were just so pretty. So let me know what you think of these nails in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on my next one.